Searching for a tasty and nutritious enhancement to your daily regimen? Your quest ends here with our discovery, ginger honey crystals. These small wonders unite the potent forces of two natural elements, delivering a distinct mix of sweetness and spice. They effortlessly elevate a range of beverages and dishes, promising a delightful culinary experience. Ginger honey crystals present a distinctive fusion of ginger and honey, both renowned for their health-promoting qualities. This blend, frequently featured in traditional Asian medicine, is esteemed for its therapeutic attributes. Typically dissolved in hot water to craft a comforting tea, these crystals also serve well in culinary endeavors, enhancing both cooking and baking recipes. Ginger has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. It is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help boost the immune system and fight off disease. Ginger is also known for its ability to soothe digestive issues, such as nausea and upset stomach. Honey, a natural sweetener, is also rich in antioxidants, which can help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Honey also has antibacterial properties, which can help to fight off infections. When combined, ginger and honey offer a range of health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of ginger honey crystals. Ginger honey crystals benefits. 1. Boosts immunity. The combination of ginger and honey in ginger honey crystals can boost immunity. Ginger is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Antioxidants are essential for immune health as they protect the body from damage by free radicals and unstable molecules that can harm cellular structures. Honey, besides being a natural sweetener, is also rich in antioxidants and has antibacterial properties. These properties help fight off infections, further enhancing the immune system. 2. Help in digestion. Ginger is well known for its ability to soothe digestive issues. It contains compounds called gingerols and shogals, which can help to speed up stomach contractions. This can help move food more quickly through the stomach, aiding in digestion. Ginger is also known to help reduce nausea and soothe an upset stomach, making it a popular remedy for conditions like motion sickness and pregnancy-induced nausea. 3. Anti-inflammatory. Ginger boasts abundant compounds named gingerols and shogals, backed by scientific evidence showcasing their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds work by inhibiting the generation of pro-inflammatory cytokines, proteins that stimulate inflammation. Through this mechanism, ginger aids in mitigating inflammation within the body. On the other hand, honey is packed with a variety of bioactive compounds, including flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. They work by neutralizing harmful free radicals and inhibiting the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines. 4. Soothes sore throats and coughs. Ginger honey crystals can alleviate sore throats and coughs due to their combined medicinal properties. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and immunity-boosting capabilities, can provide pain relief and help combat infections that cause sore throats. Ginger has been used as an herbal remedy for colds, reducing inflammation and soothing sore throats. When paired with honey, ginger's antimicrobial effect is enhanced. Honey, also antimicrobial, can help soothe a sore throat. 5. Improves heart health. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antiplatelet, hypotensive, and hypolipidemic effects, which can contribute to treating various aspects of cardiovascular disease. Ginger may aid in preventing blood clots and reducing cholesterol, which could potentially help prevent coronary heart disease, a condition that can lead to stroke or heart failure. 6. Anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that ginger may have anti-cancer properties, including inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and inducing apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Adding ginger honey crystals in your diet may offer potential cancer-fighting benefits. In summary, the study shows that ginger honey crystals taste yummy because they mix sweet honey with spicy ginger. You can add them to drinks and food and make them tastier. These crystals are good for your tummy, help you stay healthy, make it easier to breathe, give you energy, and stop pain. So, eating ginger honey crystals can help you feel better and healthier.